Welcome to the How To Studio. If you're using Google Docs and you would like to make your Google Docs full screen and you would like to enter full screen mode in Google Docs, in this video, I will show you how to easily do it with one step. So if you want to remove the menu from Google Docs and the sidebars so you can have a larger editing screen so you can focus more on your writing and remove all of these distractions, it's simple and easy to do. All you have to do is click on this search option here and then click on full screen, and then it will enter the full screen mode for you so you can remove all that menu and sidebar. And to exit the full screen mode, all you have to do is click on the escape key on your keyboard. Now you can see that you have exited the full screen mode and you can now see the menu bars again. Now, if you click on the search icon and you're not seeing full screen as an option, all you have to do is type the word full screen and then click on it, and then you will be able to enter full screen mode. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing and leaving a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.